Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Smiling Islander. Today we are going to make something really special. We can always find meatballs in our refrigerators, and using the meatballs we are going to make Angus, not just regular meatballs, Angus meatball curry. Let's look at the ingredients. First of all, we have half a pound of Angus meatballs. Then we do have some salt. We have close to 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoons of mustard seed, and this is something special that it's called fenugreek seed. Again, if you can find it, it's great. If not, don't worry about it. Again, it's 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seed and 1/4 teaspoon of fennel too. So this is one. Again, if you can't find it, don't worry about it. It's absolutely fine. These ingredients make the flavors, bring the flavors together. Curry leaves. This is a curry powder. This is Sri Lankan roasted curry powder. For some reason, you can't find the Sri Lankan roasted curry powder. Any curry powder works. Don't worry about it. Little bit of cinnamon. I know it's a very limited amount of cinnamon because it's only half a pound of meatballs. That's why I have a small cinnamon. And some onion. This is close to half a medium-sized onion chopped. Little bit of water, oil. And this is paprika, guys. For some reason, you think this is mainly for the color. Again, if you want to make it more spicy, use some chili powder and you're gonna love it. That's all the ingredients we have for today. So without any further ado, let's make our curry. Some oil in. Start with some onions. It's time to add the spices, starting with fennel, fenugreek, mustard, add the cinnamon, paprika, curry leaves, curry powder, a bit of salt. Now we're gonna add the meatballs. And we're gonna hit with some water. After adding water, cook for good 5 minutes, and then we're gonna finish it off with coconut milk. Now we're gonna add the coconut milk. There we go. Our Angus meatball curry is ready.